SculptGL is a web-based 3D sculpting application that offers a surprisingly powerful set of tools for digital sculpting enthusiasts and professionals alike. Despite being a browser-based tool, SculptGL provides a range of features typically found in more advanced desktop applications. Users can manipulate 3D meshes with various sculpting brushes, including options for adding, subtracting, smoothing, and pinching the geometry. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still providing enough depth for more experienced users. One of the standout features of SculptGL is its real-time rendering capabilities, which allow users to see their changes immediately, enhancing the sculpting workflow. Additionally, SculptGL supports multiple file formats for importing and exporting models, making it compatible with other 3D applications. The software also includes options for dynamic topology, which automatically adjusts the mesh resolution as you sculpt, ensuring that details are preserved without unnecessarily increasing the polygon count. While it may not have all the advanced features of professional-grade software like ZBrush or Blender, SculptGL is an excellent tool for quick sketches, practice, or even detailed sculpting projects. Its accessibility, combined with a robust feature set, makes SculptGL a valuable tool for anyone interested in 3D modeling and sculpting.